Hey there. Today I'm gonna talk about how you can activate your HBL Union Pay debit card. Uh, so you get a new Union Pay debit card from Himalayan Bank, and you want to activate it. To activate it, you need to do is go on your mobile banking app. So HBL mobile banking app. Then you just fill in the online activation form and just submit. That's it. Or you can call their number. Now you can call the HBL number and activate your debit card. Now there is no way to activate your debit card through a web browser for HBL, for Himalayan Bank. Hope this content helped you. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.